If you can hang a picture, you can hang your motorized outdoor solar shades in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. This shade comes completely assembled. The shade is ready to roll in the valance, which simply clicks into place on the brackets. You can move and reposition the antenna, but never cut or trim it if you want the shade to work. It's also important to never use the shade manually. Doing so can damage the motorized components in the headrail, so always use the remote to move it up and down. Once your shade is up, if you need help setting up the remote, check out the programming guide or video for your specific shade on our website. The shade's battery comes pre-charged, so it's ready to use right out of the box. The battery is located here in the headrail. When you need to recharge it, connect the included power adapter to the battery like this. It'll take about 6 to 8 hours until it's fully charged, and the indicator light will turn green when it's ready. I'm going to show you how to install this shade as an outside mount. It comes with 3 installation brackets, one of which is optional and only needed if your shade is over 6 feet wide. Since this particular shade is 8 feet wide, I'll be using all 3 brackets. This shade is super simple to hang because it comes with this handy dandy template to help you align the pilot holes for the bracket screws. Just tape it to the inside of the opening where you're hanging the shade and make sure it's flat and straight. From each end of the template, measure 2 to 4 inches in and make a mark where the outside of your brackets will go. You don't want to place the brackets right at the ends of the valance because you won't be able to install it properly. Place the bracket on your mark with the tab facing down, aligning it with the edge of the template. Mark where you'll drill the 2 screw holes through each bracket. Pre-drill your holes through the template and remove it. Then drill in the screws to attach the brackets. With the brackets in place, it's time to attach the shade. Start by sliding the back of the valance onto the back of the bracket. Now, just rotate the front of it down until you hear it click into place. It may help to use a flathead screwdriver to push in the thumb tab when clicking the shade into place. And that's it, the shade's installed. If you ever need to remove your shades, use a screwdriver to pop out the thumb tabs holding the valance in place to lift it up and out. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new motorized outdoor solar shades from Select Blinds.